Hi, it's Chandi from ExpressionFiberArts.com. I'm going to show you today how to create a 2-ply yarn. You're going to attach your 2 singles to your leader. I'm just going to tie a knot. Then you're going to start spinning in the opposite direction that you spun your 2 singles. What I like to do with my left hand is grab it up here, pinch it, and let it feed in. My right hand's just kind of hanging out here in the back. You want to make sure you're not over twisting your yarn, so just stop and allow your yarn to hang and make sure it's hanging evenly without twisting up. If it's over twisted, it's going to crinkle back up on itself. When doing this technique, if you have any color variations in your singles, you're going to end up with a barber pole striping effect in your finished yarn, which is kind of cool. What happens if one of your singles break? I'm going to go ahead and break one of mine and show you what you can do. It's really simple. You're just going to lay them together, let that twist go over that one end, and then just keep going. And you have now successfully joined your broken single. If you want to create a 3-ply yarn, it's the same technique. You're just going to have 3 bobbins and everything else is pretty much the same. When you're done spinning your yarn, you're going to wind it off your bobbin into a hank, and you want to give it a nice soak in some lukewarm water with a good wool wash, and then squeeze out the excess water and give it a good whack. I like to actually hit my skein out on the porch, and that helps to shock and set the fibers and make sure that your twist is nice and set. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create a 2-ply yarn. If you did, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future episodes. And go ahead and comment below with any ideas you have for future videos so we can try to make that happen for you. Next, please head to ExpressionFiberArts.com, and if you want to stay up to date with all of our exciting happenings, sign up for email updates. I will let you know when we have new coupons to the shop, knit and crochet patterns, news about our big monthly yarn giveaways, and a whole lot more. Now you go have a wonderful day, spend some time crafting today, do what makes your heart happy, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.